वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। I'm sharing a PDF file, so you will read words from that file. I'll call by the names in the order in the chat box. So those who have not typed the names in the chat box, please do. The first person, Girijaji.
Hari Om.
Yes.
Kata.
Can read three. Yeah, read.
Kata.
Not kata. It is kata.
Kata. Kata.
Okay.
Krisha and Ra. I'm not able to do that.
It is kr and she.
Ra.
She.
Krishi.
Okay.
Lata. Para.
Para, not para.
Yeah, para. Rishihi. Nidhi. Kata. Kata. Jaya. Raka.
Kata.
Raka.
It is not Jaya. Jaya. Kata.
Okay. Kata. Jaya. Raka. Rava. Pavihi. Hita. Kacha. Pata. Mata. Bala. Kirihi. Tila.
Okay, now next person. Prabhakarji can read.
Yes, sir. Hari Om Guruji.
Next 3 lines you can read.
Yes, Guruji. Gata, Chala, Rama, Mukha.
Mukha.
Gara. Mukha.
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 Okay.
Gura.
Good.
Eti. Chara. Atha. Ruta. Dusha. Shura. Sura. Loka. Para. Vasha. Chaya. Shata. Yeti. Me.
Very good. I, me. It is I, me.
Me.
Yeah. Next person.
Yes.
Ritaji, you can read the next 3 lines.
Thank you, Sharanji. Phala, Bhara, Vasha, Uta,
Uta.
Timi, Pita, Yama, Maya,
It is
Tala,
Uta. Okay, 1 minute.
Nakha.
Uta, the first line. I mean, the
Sorry?
previous line. The previous line, 4th word.
Uta.
It is Uta,
The,
not Uta.
the long U matra. Uta.
Hmm.
Timi, Pita, Maya, Tala, Nakha.
Nakhaha.
Nakha. Nakha.
Yeah.
Aid, Miti, Jita, Hara, Saha, Gadaha, Am, Iti, Pita.
Okay, good. Next person, Lataji, you can read the next 3 lines. Starting from Kula. Lataji is there. You can unmute your mic.
Kula
Yeah. Yeah, please read.
Pura Hesha Fena Nari Aja
Nari. It is.
Nari
Yeah.
Aja Hasa Vataha Mara Api Veera Tava Naga Kata Vama Pali Bhali.
Good. Manjiriji, next 3 lines. When I call your name, you can unmute your mic.
Yes, Guruji. I missed. Hari Om Guruji. I missed it. From where do I have to?
From Mama. You can see the cursor?
Yes.
Mama.
Yeah, I can. Yeah. Mama, Vara, Vata, Tana, Shali, Kila, Vada, Kruti, Maya, Jara, Vati, Tika,
Tika.
Tika, Tapa, Yaja, Moda, Hora, Pota, Radha.
Okay, next person. Who read? Manjiriji read now. Okay. Annapurnaji, can read.
Java,
Java.
Pala,
It is Java, not Java. Read again.
Java, Java,
Okay.
Pala,
Okay.
Vasa, Raja,
Raja.
Raja, Yasi,
Yasi.
Yasi, Kidaha, Kidaha,
Kitaha. Kitaha.
Kitaha,
It is ta.
Kitaha,
Ta. Ta. Is it ta?
Ta,
Kitaha.
Kitaha,
Ta. Tha. Da. Dha. That is, they are cerebrals. Kita.
Kita,
Okay.
Kitaha, Kitaha, Viti, Viti, Tula, Tula,
Tula. The first one,
Tula.
tu. The u is a dirgha, long vowel. La, a is a short vowel. Tula.
Tula,
Yeah.
Beka,
Bheka. Okay.
Beka, Shaila,
Good.
Kosha,
Okay.
Okay. Maula.
Mauli.
Mauli.
Okay.
Mauli.
Next
Yes.
line, you can continue. On the left hand side.
Oh, left. Okay. Luta.
Luta.
Luta. Matri. Matri.
Matru, not three.
Oh, yes. Matru. Peru.
Good.
Okay. Maivam.
Okay.
Tausha. Tausa.
To, it is to, not tau.
Oh, Tosa.
Tosha.
Tosha. Daita. No, it's not Daita. Delta.
Good. Dhauta.
Delta.
You can continue. The next line also you can read.
Okay.
First one is
Bhumi.
good. See, not bhumi. It is, you are elongating the last vowel e. Bhumi only. It is bhumi. Bhumi. First one long u. The second vowel e, short e. Okay.
Okay. Bhumi.
Good.
Vrita. Vrutsa.
Vrisha.
Vrusha.
It is short r. Vrisha.
Vrusha. Vrusha. Ketu.
Good.
Kaira.
Okay.
Loma.
Good.
Taike.
It is
Dauke.
Dauke. Good. Again.
Dauke.
Okay. Next line also you read.
Okay. Muta.
Muta.
Muta. Trusha.
Trisha. Trisha. Trisha.
Trisha. Trisha. Trisha.
Hmm.
Trisha. Keya. Shaiva.
Okay.
Mocha.
Good.
Gauri.
Good. Okay. Next person now. Paramashima, you can read the next 4 lines.
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Yuha.
Yuka. No. Which one you are reading?
Yuka.
Yeah.
Fourth one.
Yeah.
Yuha.
Yuka.
Yuka. Trina.
Good.
Lesha. Saiva. Pota. Paur. Paura, sorry. Vaduhu. Trista. Trishat. Vema. Laib. Sorry. Laiba.
What is the first letter?
La.
Then how can it be lay?
Low by.
How can be low? Low also.
Is it
You said the first letter is la.
low by
No, what is the first
La.
letter?
la?
Then the sound la must come, not low.
Sorry. Low by
No, what is the first letter again?
la
What is the second letter?
by
Together now.
labai.
Yeah, it is labai, not lobai.
Labai. Sorry. Labai.
Okay.
Doya.
It is to, not do. Toya.
Toya.
Yes.
Kala. Tuma.
Good.
Prishat. Ketu. Yada. Koma. Nauka.
Nauka. Because I'm hearing the sound of ha for the letter ka. It is ka. Nauka. The previous word also, the you.
Nauka.
I heard you ha,
Yes.
not you
Yes,
ka.
Guruji.
Okay.
Nauka.
Okay.
Rupa. Sakrat.
Shakrit.
Sakrat.
Yeah.
Sakrat. Yache. Taila. Kola. Chaura.
Okay. Next person. Priyaji can read the next 3 words, 3 lines.
One second, yeah. Okay, my screen suddenly has a problem, Ji. I think I see some top.
Yes, screen has problem. What do you see in the screen? Do you see Kamala?
No, it's no, Ji, it's gone up. I can see Katika. I can't see the previous lines.
Then see.
Oh, the left side, Ji?
We are reading on the left side, not on the right
Left side?
Yeah.
Okay, Ji. Kamala. 7.
It's not 7. Savana.
Savana. Kashoru.
Again.
Kashoru.
Again.
Kashoru.
Read letter by letter. The first letter.
Ka.
Second one.
Ka. Kaseru.
Kasheru.
Kasheru. Kashe. She.
It is not show.
Kasheru.
Know the difference between she and show. Show is one more stroke will come and stroke at the top. That is show, right? It's a she.
Yes.
Kasheru.
Okay. And Sudura.
Okay.
Vishada.
Again.
Vishada.
Again.
Vishada.
Read now.
Vishada.
You said we.
Vishada.
Let's listen to me. We, sha, the. All short vowels. We, sha, the. Vishada, not vishada.
Oh, Vishada.
Vishada. Which is the difference? Vishada, Vishada.
Okay, Ji.
The meaning will change.
Okay, Ji. Kulisha.
Kulisha, not Kulisha. Kulisha.
Sha.
Sure.
Kulisha. Payota.
Continue.
Kaulina.
Again,
Kaulina.
it is Lee. You
Oh,
can-
okay. Oh, sorry. Ji. Kaulani.
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 Okay. Then the next line.
Sarala. Sarala.
Okay.
Kurali.
Good.
Piyusha.
Okay.
Piyusha.
Okay.
Kotira.
Read together.
Kotira.
Kotira. Okay. Next person. Shruti ji, you can read the next three.
Excuse me, Guruji.
Yes.
Second line, last word. Is it Kaulani or is it Ni or there is
It
a
has knee. The stroke
Rakara
for-
there? The print is not.
It can take it for the knee.
Yeah, it's not quite clear.
Yeah, it's not clear. It's okay.
Oh.
You can take it as Kaulani or
Yeah.
Kaulina also. I mean, it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Where you put the stroke.
Yeah, okay.
It's
thank-
a
Yeah,
bit
okay.
mistake.
Yeah. Thank you.
Shruti, you can read the next three lines. Yeah, please read. Are you reading? Okay, some problem is on your side, I think. So next person, Manjula ji, you can read next three lines.
Yes, Guruji, it is Vadan.
Where is that Vadan?
Which
See,
line I missed that?
follow the what students read, what others read. Then only you can, when your turn comes, you can read. I hope all of you are following, right?
Guruji.
Next line is Vanita, the fourth line.
Oh, okay, Guruji. Vanita, Dhorani, Patola.
See, when the student reads, it's only for not for that student. Everybody is supposed to read with the mic in mute. Okay, so then only you will be able to follow where we are. Continue.
Yashoda, Panasa, Mayuri, Namuchi, Suresha, Mahila, Bamoru, Gochara,
Gochara.
Gochara, Kubera,
Okay. Next person.
Gagana,
Next person, Anand. Anand, you can.
Ketaki,
Okay. Next person will read. And I can read from the next.
Yes, I'm here. From which?
Namaste.
Hello. Namaskar.
Yeah, the next line.
Anand speaking.
Yeah, you can read.
Vishad.
What is that?
I am getting here Vishad, first line.
We are not in the first line. We are in the down. We have read all these lines.
Yeah, I think I should know the line. My screen I am not getting. In my screen I am not getting this.
You're getting.
where it is?
You're saying Vishada, right? You're saying Vishada, Kulisha.
Yeah, yeah.
All these things we have read. Now
Yeah.
from the down,
Yes.
third line. That's why I said follow the class. Fourth line from the down.
Okay.
See, if you're not following the class, then how do you know where we are?
Yes, sorry.
I request all of you to follow the class where we are. So it's not proper to ask where we are, no?
Okay.
It's not
Vadana.
grades. So you should know where you have to start. Okay, fourth line
Okay.
from the bottom.
Vadan.
From Gagan.
Okay.
Gagana.
Gagana. Ketaki. Hridaye. Ruchira. Vadana. Pinaki.
Good.
Vinod.
Vinoda. Vinoda, not Vinod.
Vinoda. Mihira. Mihira. Lalita. Anup.
Again?
Garima.
No, you read again the previous word.
Anup.
What is the first letter? Next letter?
Nu.
And next letter?
Pa.
Together now?
Anupa.
It is Anupa, not Anupa. Okay.
Anup. Anup.
Anup, not Anupa. Anupa, not Anup. Okay. Anupa.
Okay. Anupa.
Okay.
Garima.
Again.
Garima.
What is the first letter?
G.
Next letter?
Ri.
Is it short or long?
This is long.
Long?
I think.
Is it short
It is
or
short.
long?
Garima. Garima.
It is Garima, not Garima. Okay.
Okay. Garima.
Next line, next word.
Next word is Vihara.
Good. Continue, the last line also.
Vihaga.
Again?
Keyur.
No, before that. Read the previous word.
Vihaga.
Read letter by letter.
Vihaga.
Vihaga. Vihaga. Vihaga. See, Vihaga.
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 Keyur.
Keyura.
Keyura. Kuchel. Kuchel.
You are cutting the last vowel. Why? It's not Hindi. This is as it is to be read. Kuchela. Kuchela. Not Kuchel.
Kuchela. Marala. Marala.
What is the first vowel?
Ma.
It is ma, short, not ma. You are reading
Okay.
Marala.
Okay. Okay, sorry. Marala. Marala.
Read the word.
Maral. Marala.
Marala, not maral.
Okay, Marala.
So you have to be extra conscious to read the last vowel. You cannot cut the last vowel. Marala, Kuchela, Keyura, Vigaga,
Keyura.
Vihara, Garima, Anupa, Lalita, Mihira, Vinoda, Pinaki, Adana. Okay, next person. Shivaram Krishnan ji, you can read the words on the right hand side.
Thanks very much.
Please follow the line by line, all of you. Now, Shivaram Krishnan ji, you can read the words on the right hand side.
Okay. Chuluka.
Again.
Vivada.
What's the first word?
No,
first word. The first First word.
Chuluka. Chuluka.
Chuluka.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vivada.
Okay.
Saketa.
Good.
Krupalu. Gokula. Bhusura.
Good.
Nameru. Srunuta.
It is the first letter.
Sunruta.
The first letter is Su. It is not clear.
Sunruta. Sunruta. Kirata. Nihara.
Yeah, it should be Nihara.
Jalu.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Jaluka. Goduma.
Okay, next line also.
Yeah. Yeah. Shodasha. Mainaka. Videsha. Chakori.
Okay, good. Next person, Mekhalaji. You can read the next.
Yeah. Ghatika. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Mekhalaji, you can read the next 3 lines.
Yes. Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. You can read from Ghatika.
Ghatika. Laukika. Pherava. Parayana.
It is Pherava.
Pherava.
Yeah.
Parayana. Vanechara. Vanavasa. Kala Guru. Vinayaka. Gopi Ramana.
Good.
Namavali.
Next line also.
Namavali. Kripa Rasa. Kala Desha. Karuna Rasa.
Good. Next person now. Ram Kumarji.
Payodadi.
Okay. Next person will read. Ram Kumarji, you can read the next 3 or 4 lines.
Yes. Namaste, Sharanji. Payodadi. Ajagava. Marakata. Bahudosha. Dhanamada. Karatala. Mahodadi. Karakalita. Maya Gajabhaya.
Gajabhaya. Good. You're reading. You know Sanskritam already. You can read.
Viyogini. Bhayachakita. Dhanarasa.
Okay. Next person. Rashmiji.
Visheshana.
Okay. Next person. Rashmiji, you can read the next line.
Yes. Namaste, Guruji. Visheshana. Payodali. Kalarava. Gadayudha. Trinolapa. Avanat. Shitodak. Shunasir.
Sira.
Upavan. Shunasir. Upavana. Grihochita. Vilasini. Panapara. Suropama. Upavana. Ashinaya.
Good. Now, Shrutiji, can you read? Yes, message. Am I audible? Let us see. Can you speak? It's not audible then. You have to check your mic. It's not audible if you're speaking. I don't see any wave in your mic also. So Please check your mic. Okay. So this time I'm skipping you. Please check your mic. Girija ji.
Namaste, Guruji.
You can read the first line.
Loka.
Yeah.
Loka. Yeah. Loka. Lokapama. Lokapavada.
Yeah, it is va. Okay.
Va. Lokapavada.
Good.
Dhumatireka. Puja Vishesha. Kupodakahita. Mata Pitarau. Shesha Shayi. Payasa Bojana. Modakahara. Avabrutta Divasa.
Okay, next person. So now the words are getting tougher. So let us see. Prabhakar ji.
Girija.
Yes, ji.
Girija. I didn't read.
Sorry? Yeah.
Shiranji.
Yeah.
I didn't read. Girija.
Now who read now? I thought you read.
Yeah, before me, the other girl whose mic was not working, she came online and she read it.
Oh, really? Shruti ji, did you read it? Because I didn't see any wave on your mic, so I thought, okay. Okay, now Girija, you can read. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm the one, Guruji. So.
Oh, now I can see your mic Okay. You read before?
Yeah, something.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, Guruji.
Okay, fine.
So it's my turn now, Girija.
Please read.
Krukava Kuruta. Krukava Kuruta. Kumara Sevaka. Aushadha Seva. Piyusha Sechanam.
Good.
Bharavataranam. Kautabhajit.
It is cow or kai?
Kaitabhajit.
Kaitaba is it's a demon. Kaitabhajit, the conqueror of Kaitaba. Madhu Kaitaba. Right?
Okay. Kaitabhajit.
Here.
Kaitabhajit. Okay.
Next line also.
Kalati Pata Parihara. Kalati Pata Parihara.
Good.
Kami Nijana.
Good. Next person now. Prabhakarji.
Thank you.
Yes, Guruji.
It's a mistake. Okay. Anyway, let us try. You read now. You identify what the mistake is. Next word.
Next word. Okay. Kutalala ka.
What is after that one stroke is there? What is that?
Kutalala ka.
After ku, the first letter, you see a vertical stroke?
After ku, yes, that stroke is there.
Is that a dra?
It's a mistake, okay. It's a mistake. That should not be vertical stroke. You can't, it doesn't have any meaning at all, right? We don't have any letter like that. After ku, it should not be vertical stroke.
Yeah, that's true, Guruji. Yes.
Kutalalaka, that's the correct one. Okay.
Kutalalaka. Okay.
Sorry, not Kutalalaka, it is Kutalalaka. Ku is short. Kutalalaka, not Kutalalaka. Kutalalaka. Okay.
Kutalalaka. Okay. Padatala Patita.
Together read.
Okay. Padatala Patita.
Again.
Padatala Patita.
Again.
Okay. Padatala Patita.
Quickly, together.
Yes.
You remember Pada, then you remember the next part, Tala, Then you are reading patita.
Okay.
Together. Padatala patita.
Padatala patita.
Without any pause again.
Padatala. Okay. Padatala patita.
Good. One word.
Padatala patita.
Good. Next word.
Yes, Guruji. Nata jana sharana.
Good.
Nata jana sharana.
Okay.
Arunadhara. Lokayatika.
Lokayatika. Again.
Lokayatika.
Okay. Do you find these words difficult to read?
Well, yes, Guruji, when it's a long one, it's very hard for me to assimilate and read in a continuous fashion.
Okay, we'll do one thing. So suddenly we're getting to long words. So I'm now moving to another file where short words will be there. Again, we will go through the short words, different one. Then we can come back to this and read. Okay. First, let us be, because now he is increasing the standard. Okay, another one. These are very simple words. Quickly we can read so that you will be familiar with the reading. Certain words also. Now, Prabhakarji, continue. Do you see this?
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Ka, yata, data, ganam, sa, tada, mata, danam, nam, yata, bala. Okay. Nama. Sorry. Nama, yata, bala, asanam, dam. Okay. Dama, tata, mala, sashanam.
Okay, read the full page. Next line also.
Okay. Tadaga. Oh, okay. There's a line there. Okay. Tadaga. Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Tadaga
jalam.
Tadaga jalam. Danava bhalam. Patam vata. Vanara dalam. Sahasa phalam. Janam rata.
Is ja? It is a ja?
Oh, sorry. Ganam.
Rata. Okay. Now, Rituji, I think this will be simple for you. The right hand side. You can read.
Sure. Kakah, Kasah, Dasah, Chagah.
Chaga. Is it 1 minute? Sorry. Cha or cha? Okay. Chaga. Yeah, that's correct.
Pakah, Ghasah, Hasah, Bhagah. Masah, Varah, Chalakah, Gayakah. Vasah, Harah, Palakah, Nayakah. Magh Masah, Ramdas.
Again. First.
Magh Masah, Ramadasah, Shavarahasah, Nagarvasah. Madhav, Eshah Vanarah.
Again.
Madhava, Eshah Vanarah.
You're cutting the last level. Okay.
I know. Vanaram, Ladaya. Vanaram ma Tadaya. Vanaraya, Kadalam Anaya. Ravan, Ramam, Ravana, Ramam Manaya. Ramam Nama. Vanaram na Maraya.
Okay. So
na Maraya, yes.
When you read, you have to be careful with the last vowel. The last vowel you have to read completely. Hindi influence. Okay. Yeah. It happens. Lataji, now next person, you can read. On the left hand side.
Yati, Kavita, Ravihi, Nidhihi, Tati, Savita, Kavihi, Vidhihi.
1 minute.
Right hand side, sir. I can read, sir.
Yeah, I can read. Yeah, the full page. Yeah.
Ah.
Down.
Okay. Harinaha, Gasam, Kadati, Jalam, Pibati, Shavaraha, Ayati, Harinaha, Davati.
Harinaha Davati. See, these are one sentence.
Okay.
In Sanskritam, we don't have full stop. Instead, we have a danda. What we call danda is the vertical stroke which separates the two sentences. Like Shavaraha Ayati. One stroke is a vertical. That is called danda. Danda means stick. It looks like a stick. Therefore, danda. It's a full stop. It means full stop. The next sentence, Harinaha Dhavati. You have to pause. One sentence.
Shavaraha Ayati, Harinaha Dhavati. Shavara Harinaha Mama Shaka. Harinam na Maraya. Aham Harinam Palayami.
Aham Harinam.
Yeshaga
1 minute.
Aham Harinam Palayami.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeshaga Harinaha Ati Saralaha.
Ati Saralaha, one word.
Ati Saralaha.
Next person, Manjiri, you can read on the right hand side. Manjiri ji, you can read.
Shrutva Likha Gaya.
Is it Manjiri or?
Yeah, Manjula ji, Guruji.
Manjiri ji, you can read now. Okay. Then
Okay.
the name comes
Okay,
later.
Guruji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Guruji.
Shrutva Likha.
It means
Gaya.
Shrutva Lika means listening, you write. It means I have to dictate. I will tell the word, you have to write. Anyway, so it means what? It means hearing a sound, understanding what each letter is, whether it is Alpa Prana or Maha Prana, whether it is short or long vowel, you have to write. So it means we should equip ourselves to that level. When you say the first word, Gaya, you should be able to write.
Yeah.
So it's a test. Anyway, we are not doing that. You can just do the reading practice. Yes, please read.
Okay. Gaya, Vadaya, Sada, Sabha, Katha, Daya, Asha, Lata, Gadha, Rachana, Sadhana, Sarasata, Saralata, Yanam, Chadam, Jalam, Payasam, Vahanam, Vatayanam, Bhashanam, Samadhanam, Sadharanam, Patha, Taraha,
Pataha.
Okay, I didn't. Okay, Pathaha, Taraha, Nashaha, Akashaha, Balakaha, Adaraha, Alap, Kataha, Nakataha.
Kataha.
Okay. Kataha.
Yes.
Varaha.
Varaha.
Ashadha.
Varaha.
Varaha. Varaha.
Yes.
No, okay. Ashadha.
Ashadha.
Ahara. Ashadha. Aharaha. Malakaraha. Samacharaha. Maharajaha.
Good. Next person, Annapurna ji. You can read. Simple words are there. You can read.
Pata. Pada.
Hmm?
Lika. Lika. Cha.
It is not pada. Patha.
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 Say ta.
Sorry, Guruji.
Say ta. Ta. The letter ta. Say ta.
Ka. Ka.
No, no. I'm asking you to say the letter ta.
Ka.
No, no. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Say the letter ta.
Ka.
Not ka. I'm saying ta.
Ah. Okay. Da. Ta.
No, no. Do you hear me? That's why I'm saying the letter ta. That is the cerebral. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. That ta I'm saying.
Ta.
Yeah. Now read the word again.
Pata.
Not pata. It is patha.
Pata.
Patha.
Pata.
Patha.
Pata.
Not pata. The ta, the sound is not coming properly. You have to practice cerebral letters. The ucharanam of cerebral, you have to practice. It is patha likacha. Read again.
Pata. Likacha.
Not patha. Not, you're saying ta. That becomes somewhat dental. It is not dental. It is cerebral. That is, the tongue should touch the roof of your mouth. Pa, ta. Say ta, ta. Practice it. Okay.
Ta.
Okay. We can read the words now.
Pata.
Not pata. It is pata, not pa. Pa. See the difference between pa and pa. Pa short, pa long. So pa tha, pata, li kha, likha, cha, pata lika cha.
Pata.
Okay.
Likacha.
Yeah. Continue. Please continue.
Yes. Ka.
Yeah, read.
Okay.
Ka means it is just a number. Number is given in a bracket. First set of words having the number ka. Okay. Please read.
Yadi.
Okay, good.
Didi. Kati.
It is not didi, dadhi.
Ah, yes. Dadi. Kati.
Okay.
Api.
Okay.
Lika.
Likha, not lika. Likha, likha.
Lika.
Okay.
Piva.
Piba.
Piva. Piva. Piva.
Not piba. 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 You're making the short into long. That you have to be careful. You must, when you read the word, say the letter by letter. The first letter is P, not P. That is P. That you have to remember. Then the next one, Ba is there. Ba is also short. So P, the previous letter, Ba, Piba. When you read, you have to read carefully. It's short, Piba.
Piba.
Okay. Next word. Yes, read.
I get this one confused.
It's jha. It is jha. It is jha. Cha, cha, jha.
Ja.
Jha, Mahaprana.
Ja.
Okay.
Ja.
Hmm.
Jati ta.
Jati ti, not ta. Jati ti.
Jati. Kimapi.
Yeah, kimapi. Then next word.
Balika.
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 Continue.
Talika.
Good.
Mahila.
Okay.
Nasika.
Good.
Kalika.
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 Okay.
Kalika. Pita.
Good.
Falati. Falati.
Good. Continue. It's good.
Chalati.
Yeah, it's good.
Tarati. Khadati.
Good. Okay.
Pivati.
Good. Yeah.
Davati. Davati.
Yes, it's good.
Kanati. Kanati.
Khanati.
Kanati.
Okay.
Kanati.
Yeah.
Patati.
Good.
Hasati.
Good.
Padyati.
Again.
Padyati.
Again.
Padyati.
Pa is it? Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Padyati.
Patha.
Oh, it's not connected.
Not connected. Okay. Oh, yes. It is not connected. It looks like that. It's not. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Patayati.
Yes. Patayati.
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 Yeah. Patati teaches. Sorry, reads. Patayati teaches. All these what you are reading now, starting from Tarati, starting from Palati, Chalati, all these are all verbs. Anyway, we will talk about it later. Yeah, continue. Continue reading.
Ganayati.
Good.
Apasarati.
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 It's good. So you have to practice a bit more. Your reading is fine. Next person, Paramashivanji. You can read.
Thank you for your patience.
Yeah, a little bit of practice required. That's it.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah, please continue.
Vilam. Vishama.
Not Vishama. It is all these are
Vilam.
Vilam, Visham.
Sorry, I didn't note that. Another stroke. I didn't note.
Yes.
Vishama.
Yasham.
Another stroke is there.
Is there? You want me to zoom? Show?
I think so. Stroke is there.
Stroke is there.
Visham.
Yes.
Thank you, Guruji. Idam.
Yeah.
Ganitam.
Idam after that?
Idam. Himam.
Good. Okay, Ganitam you read. Next one.
Ganitam.
Okay.
Tadimam.
Good. Continue.
Dalihi.
Yes.
Jadigi.
Okay.
Yadiha.
What is the first letter?
Sorry, Padikaha. Sorry, Padikaha.
Patikaha.
Padikaha.
Patikaha. Traveler. Okay.
Thank you, Guruji.
Continue.
Aditihi.
Atitihi.
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 Yeah.
Yes, doctor. Aditihi.
Okay.
Padiraha.
Badiraha. Deaf, it means. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Continue.
Nemaha.
Okay.
Vinayaha. Vijayaha. Kiranaha. Samadhihi. Vimanaha. Vishyaha. Vishayaka. Sipitaka. Sipitakaha. Himalayaha. Abhinayaha.
Good.
Sanivaraha.
Okay.
Ravivaraha. Parihasaha.
Good. Okay. So we can stop here today. We'll continue this lesson reading. Continue. I can send you this PDF if you have time. You can go through this. You can read. So that will be easy for you when you read in the class. Okay. The simple words are there. So we can stop here. Any doubts? If you have, you can ask me. So we will continue with our reading practice for another few classes. Then we will get into the next topic. So now the simple words are here reading. Then we will start reading big words, longer words. Then we will read some shloka. So then we will read some sentence and then we will read some shloka. So slowly our reading will improve. Then we will get into the language. So I will send this PDF. Please practice in your leisure. Okay. So you can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanta Shanta Shanti Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavada.
Thank you.
Dhanyavada Guruji.
Dhanyawad
Guruji.